and we talk about manifestations, they go hand in hand, okay? And synchronicities can be coincidences that are meaningful, or they could be coincidences that have no real meaning, okay? And when I was doing my tests to see how I can bend reality with manifestations and synchronicities, I come to see that if you remove distractions from your life, the synchronicities then become meaningful because it's on your goal, on your journey. So your synchronicities then allow you to get to your goal much faster, okay? And the way we can do this is by first subtracting, okay? We're not stockpiling, we're subtracting, then we're going to go ahead with the manifestations and synchronicities. So the way we first do this is by removing distractions, okay? And distractions, what am I going to say about this, okay? So distractions, I've written this down. Distancing from our actions. That might not be the Oxford English definition of distractions, but I've been breaking down words for years, and I've seen the sorcery within English language, okay? And every time you speak, you're casting spells, but I'm not here to speak about that today. I'm here to tell you how you can see the riddle within the words and navigate yourself forward. So, actions. Where else do we see this word? Attraction. Everyone knows what law of attraction is, you know, so we can start to see the polar opposite of attraction being distraction, okay? So because I'm so meaningful with everything I do, the words I say, I can break down these words. You know what I'm saying? I can break down these words because I'm very thoughtful and mindful of the words I speak. Okay? So, attraction. That's what we want to do. We want to attract good things into our lives. We want to attract abundance into our lives. That's why you're watching this video. So, attraction. Okay? And we want to distance. We don't want to distance from our actions. So what can count as distancing from our actions? TV. TV, man. Social media. Okay? Social media is hurting our people right now. Procrastination. Excuses. Okay? These are all the things we must eliminate from our lives. Not completely, because we do want to have a balance. Me personally, I don't watch TV, but I manifest fast. I manifest fast because of this. You could watch TV for 1 hour a day. You could limit it, you know, it's what up to you. It depends, you get whatever you put in. So it's up to you how much you want to sacrifice. I go on social media, if I didn't have a business, I wouldn't be using social media, to be honest. But I've limited that to 1 hour a day and Twitter 1 hour a day. I used to use social media a lot, but I've come to the time in my life where I don't really care about it. It's just business and a little bit of fun, you know. I may laugh a bit to some, you know, content, but I'm a man on a mission, so I limit that. Procrastination, okay, procrastinations. That can just be doing these two. That can be just finding an excuse to find something in the house. Oh, you want to go, you're about to do something, then you go speak to your girlfriend, or you go speak to your mom or whatever, you go play with your brothers. That's procrastination. You know you should be doing something, but you've just found a reason not to do it. Excuses. Oh, I'm tired. I just come back home from a long day of work. Give me some rest. I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow comes. Oh man, today was rough. And you see, something happened to my man and I had to do it. Bro, we are trying to manifest fast. This is what is going to elevate you to get to the next level. The excuses are only going to be for yourself to analyze and say, was I being true to myself? Okay, so TV, social media, procrastination, excuses, there's many more, okay? So we need to remove distractions, because if you don't even have the ability to see synchronicities with these kind of distractions, it's going to be hard. If you still see synchronicities whilst having these distractions, you're on your way. But this video will be for both types of people. People that see the synchronicities and people who don't see anything, okay? Because once you eliminate these distractions, you can be in tune, okay? You can be in tune with yourself, okay? So that's what it's about. So now we've subtracted the distractions. Okay, what do you want to do? Because this is beginner level intermediate, I'm going to give you a pathway, because not everyone can be black and white and just turn that switch off. Some people can, I can, but not everyone can. So this is for beginner intermediate level. The first thing you want to do to ease your way to your thing that you want to manifest. Let's say you want to manifest money, business, a business. Let's say you want to manifest businesses, just say businesses. What else could we manifest? Let's just keep it money and business, okay, for entrepreneurial perspective, okay? Just for this can be for anything, but I'm just keeping this on this topic. Well, the first thing you can do is watch or listen to podcasts related to the topics you are diving into. Okay? Watching or listening to podcasts related to the topics you are diving into. And whilst you're doing this, I want you to take mental notes whilst you're listening to these kind of things, or journal, because this is going to impress on your mind, okay? And if you really get into the feeling of doing this, you then may start to see synchronistic things come into your life based on the stuff that you're watching and thinking about, because this is about your mental diet. Your mental diet. if you start seeing things related to the stuff that you want to achieve or the things that you want to become, start doing this, okay? So we don't have to eliminate TV and social media like that. If you're transitioning, you can watch these kind of things to then synchronistically bring flow into your path, into the pathway you are leading to. Okay, so we can do this. We can then, so I'll give you an example. I was watching some study notes from Joseph Rodriguez, and it was about the autobiography of a yogi. Okay, this is based on my synchronistic experience. I watched that video, I watched that study note, and then I went onto Instagram the next day. I see someone that I followed had that book, and I have never seen that book in my life. Or if I have, I never took notes of it. Okay, so this is how things start to connect. Okay, so you want to now put good things into your mind, so it doesn't have a lot to be sprazzled about. You know, it's just going to be impressed by certain things, because your brain, just like Instagram, just like YouTube, it has impressions. Your brain has impressions. Now you're removing the junk out, it's able to be impressed by these things. So that's what we're going to do. Mental diet. Okay. What else can we do to bring synchronistic things into our life to manifest? Okay. We are going to, what are we going to do? We are going to speak to ourselves. We're going to speak to ourselves. Sorry, it's hot here, just Thailand. We are going to speak to ourselves, yeah? We are going to speak to ourselves about who we want to be, who we want to become. Because, again, our brain is going to be impressed by that. Our brain is going to be impressed by that, and we are going to keep on speaking about who we want to become. And it's just going to be mystical if you do this every day. So it's almost like affirmations, okay? But I'm not going to go deep into affirmations. I just want you to actively go outside in nature, talk about who you want to become. That's what you're going to do, okay? So now, this is going to, you're going to notice when you talk about who you start to become, people are going to start saying things that you've been talking about yourself. It's funny, you're going to see it. You're going to see it if you're in tune. You're going to see that people are going to start saying things that you say about yourself come into reality if you do this daily, or just do this mindfully. Okay? So we're going to speak to ourselves. It's not crazy. They don't want you to speak to yourselves because they don't want you to know yourselves. They want you to know the celebrities. They want you to know this guy, they want you to know that guy. Some people could write a dissertation about my man, my girl, but can they write a dissertation about themselves? Start speaking to yourselves. Now, what are we going to be talking about next? Because this is just to bring synchronicity to your life, okay? This is just to bring synchronicity to your life. Now, manifestations, okay? Manifestations. Okay, tunnel vision. I remember I was on my road to wanting to get 1,000 subs on YouTube, yeah? That was my goal, 1,000 subs on YouTube. And I remember I put a date to it. I said I need to get it by July. By July. It happened. And it made me think I should have put the number higher because maybe things could have happened even faster. But I said that and it came to fruition, yeah? So what I did to use synchronicities to get there was just keep on saying to people like, yeah, I'm on my road to 1,000, road to 1,000, road to 800. Just talking it into existence, just always speaking about it, always talking about it, and it just came to reality, okay? And I swear to you, it was harder to get to 1,000 than it is where I am now. Everything's just flowing, but before that, anyone who's been on YouTube, they know that getting to 1,000 subs is hard. It's really hard, but things flow after. So you want to have tunnel vision. You want to speak about it, but you don't want to be obsessed by it. Because if you're obsessed, you're just going to be clinging onto it. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that at all. You just want to actively speak about it and just say, I'm on my way to getting there. I need to do it. I need to get there. And yeah, you'll get there. You just have to keep on speaking. You just need to keep on speaking to existence. You need to keep on doing what you have to do. Keep on speaking about it. Keep on journaling about our goals. Journaling about the process. Journaling about the process, okay? You want to journal about the process. It's important because it's all good talking about 1,000 subs. That's the end goal. You need to talk about the process. Find strategies. Different content. Whatever it may be, you just want to be bound by the process and not the end goal. Because if you enjoy the process, you can get lost within it. But you can't get lost within getting 1,000 subs because it's only going to be a fixation. Okay? So this is just a quick video. I'm baking out here. And we will dive in deep maybe more about this, but this is how you can manifest. It's by tunnel vision, removing distractions, and putting things into your mental diet that is going to be impressed by your mind. Okay? If you like this video, you know what to do. Peace.